Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey, where I show you how to create beautiful DIYs and more on a budget. If that is something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more content just like this and to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created these beautiful Hello Spring and Hello Summer wooden blocks. Also, how I created this Hello Spring and Hello Summer wood round. It was quick, it was simple, it was easy, and most importantly, it was budget friendly. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I had to do was sand down these wooden blocks that my husband created me, and all we did was go to Home Depot and get some 2x4s, and he just cut them into some wooden blocks for me, and all I'm doing right now is sanding them down. After I have all my wood sanded down how I like, I'm going to paint my wood. Now, as you see, my block is not too big, but it's not too small. And I'm going to paint them in the ivory color using my Waverly chalk paint. Now, I did paint my block all over, and I ended up doing 2 coats just because I wanted to really get a good coat of paint on it for this project that I was doing today. And I painted on my block all over, all the sides, everything, because again, this is a reversible sign, so you will be using both sides of this block. So I went ahead and painted both sides, and I did do 2 coats of paints on both sides on all corners. Now for my wood round sign, I'm going to do the same thing. I sanded it down already, and now I'm just going to paint it using my ivory Waverly chalk paint. I use the same colors for all my signs because this is the spring summertime, so I thought this ivory color would be a good color to use. So again, I'm doing the same thing that I did with my blocks. I'm putting all the paint all over on both sides because again, this is a reversible sign, so I will be using both sides of it. So I'm painting both sides and all corners. Now for this one, I just did 1 coat because it went on pretty thick, so I thought that 1 coat would be fine, and I did let it dry before I painted the other side of it. Now, after my paint is finished drying on my wooden blocks, I'm going to start decorating them. And like I said, this is a welcome spring sign, Hello Spring. So for the words, I'm just using some stickers that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I chose stickers because I've been telling you guys I know that I have my Cricut now, but I still want to show you guys how to decorate and make signs using other things. And the Dollar Tree has some really beautiful stickers out now. Like, they have more variety than before. So I just thought this would be a good time to show you guys how to create a sign using, stickers and other things that you may have on hand. And the Dollar Tree always has a good variety of stickers for a good price. They're always $1. So I just picked up these stickers from the Dollar Tree. Again, they're their big black stickers that I know they've had for a while now. Everybody's seen them. Everybody has them. And so that's what I'm using to decorate these wooden blocks with. And like I said, I'm just sticking my stickers on my block like so, like really simple and easy, making sure they're centered. And this sign really, these blocks, it's not a sign, it's a blocks, really came out beautiful. I love the way my words looked on these blocks. So remember, I told you this was going to be a reversible sign, blocks for your season greetings. And one side is going to say hello summer, and one side is going to say hello spring. You just saw me do the hello summer, you just saw me do the hello spring, so now I'm doing the hello summer. And again, I'm using these beautiful stickers that I found at the Dollar Tree for just $1. I did my hello spring in the black stickers, and you will see why in a moment, but I'm doing my hello summer in the colorful stickers because these are just so pretty. They are summer colors and I absolutely love them, and I've had these stickers on hand for a while. Matter of fact, every time I go to the Dollar Tree I pick up these stickers because, again, it's just another way that you can decorate your signs or your crafts without having to use an expensive Cricut machine or whatever. Just, these letters do just fine, and they are so beautiful, and they even have, like I said, more variety of stickers than before. So once I finish adding all my stickers to my block, it's time to decorate them. And again, I told you I was using the black stickers for my Hello Spring sign for a reason, and this is the reason. I'm going to paint my Hello Spring sign using spring colors because I just love spring colors. They're so beautiful. And for the spring colors, I am using, the first color I'm using is a light pink from Craft Smart that I got from Michael's. And I don't want it to do a heavy coat of paint. I just want it to be a very light coat because when I think of spring, I think airy, light. So I'm just putting a light coat of pink onto my wood blocks. Now I'm using a variety of colors. I'm not just using pink. I'm using blue, purple, and yellow. All from Craft Smart and all from Michael's. And like I said, I'm just using a very light coat. I don't need that much. Okay, so once all of my blocks are painted and they're dry, it's time for me to take my stickers off. Again, this is why I use the black letters instead of the colored letters that the colored stickers that they have, because I knew that I was going to take these up. And I did it like this because I wanted the white. I wanted the words to be white. And that's a neat way you can also do that. Again, these are just simple tricks that you can do with stickers that you can find at the Dollar Tree or anywhere. Again, you don't have to use an expensive Cricut or stencils. You can just do it this way. And I like it doing this way because it's very quick and very simple. And, it gets the job done. Now, as you can see, I was struggling with these letters a bit, trying to get them off. But that's why you need to really make sure that your paint is dry before you do this step. Now, the words, the letters, the stickers will come off. They will just leave behind some paper, and you can just scrape that up with your hands. Now, not all of them did it, but just the ones that I really got down and stuck on there really good. So, a tip, if you are to use this little trick, don't really pat down your stickers that well on your block or whatever you're using, because it will stick to it very well. For my hello sign, I didn't put my stickers up there that well, and they came off better and easier than for my spring words. But again, I got the look that I wanted, and I thought this was so pretty, and everything about it says spring. Like, look at that S. It's so beautiful. All my words came out so good on this spring side. I just love it. So after I am finished with my blocks, it's time for me to start decorating my wood round. Now, I picked this wood round up from Home Depot, and it was just a few dollars, maybe $4 or $5 at the most, and I was surprised that it was so cheap. But yeah, so again, as you've seen before, I already painted it and it's dry on both sides. So now I'm just gonna lay my words down. Again, I'm using the same stickers that I got from Dollar Tree because they are so inexpensive and such a great way to decorate your DIYs or anything that you may want to decorate without having to use expensive equipment. Now I'm choosing to decorate one side saying welcome summer and the other side saying hello spring, because again, this is going to be a reversible sign also, and I didn't want to have it saying the same thing like I did with my blocks. The only reason I did that with my blocks is because the number of blocks that I've had, and hello spring and hello summer is the same number of words, so it's better to say the same thing. But with this wood round, I didn't have that issue. So I said I was going to do one side saying hello summer and the other side saying hello spring. And I'm doing a more of a farmhouse feel with this sign. As you can see, I'm just leaving it ivory, and I'm not going to do anything with my stickers. I'm going to leave them as is to give it a more of a farmhouse feel, and it came out so beautiful. I love the way my stickers came out and laid out on this wood. Again, it's reversible, so you can use both sides, and that's also saving you money. You don't have to, go out and buy another sign when summer comes around. You just turn that one around, and you have your whole new sign. Now for my Hello Spring sign, I did it the same way. I just laid down my stickers on my sign. And I'm doing this one a little different because it still is technically spring. So I decided to decorate the side. And all I'm doing is, with since it's going to be a farmhouse thing, I picked up some greenery at Walmart. And these are just eucalyptus picks, and they were like less than $2. They were so cheap. So again, this is a budget-friendly project, and all I'm doing is bringing them together at the top, and I'm also going to create a beautiful bow to add to it. Now, I'm going to tie my eucalyptus picks together with some floral wire. There I go again, getting tongue-tied. But before I do that, I just want to kind of cut them to make them shorter so that you can see my Hello Spring, so that the flowers won't be cutting them off. And then once I cut them, I'm just going to tie them together and then add my beautiful burlap bow to it. And I chose a burlap bow because, again, this is a farmhouse style, so burlap and all of that just, is farmhouse, and this sign came out so beautiful. Now, to create my beautiful burlap bow, again, I'm using some burlap ribbon, and I found this ribbon at the Dollar Tree for just $1. Again, this project is so budget friendly, and all I'm doing is folding my ribbon into 3 parts, and then I'm going to bring it together using some jute string. And I had some issues, and I don't know why, because I've made this bow a million times, but it was like late at night when I was doing this project, so my mind was kind of, somewhere else. But I had kind of issue getting the string right around the middle of the bow, but it all came together in the end. As you see, it just popped off. Like I said, it was late at night and I'm doing this project. I was tired. But I just scrunched it up in the middle and tied it together with some jute string and created me a cute, simple bow. And I like doing these kinds of bow like this because it's really no effort into it. Like I say, all you got to do is fold it in 3s, bring it together in the middle, tie it together, tie it around together with something like a ribbon that you have in the middle, and then really puff out your little bows, and you have a cute, simple bow. Now, I do have me a Bodera, but like I said, I just wanted me a cute, simple bow, so I didn't think I had to do all that. And with my extra pieces of jute string that I have in the back, I'm just going to tie it around my eucalyptus peaks. And then with some hot glue, I'm just going to hot glue it to my wood round. And that is that for that sign. Again, this sign came out so beautiful. I was so happy with it. And this is a beautiful farmhouse decoration, home decor piece that you can put out. You can even add some ribbon and hang it up to your door. It will be beautiful. Now, I just put it on my table in my house, and again, it's so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was so happy with the way these blocks turned out. They were so beautiful. My Hello Spring side is just beautiful. My letters, they did what they were supposed to do with that white. And my Hello Spring wood round, oh my god, with those eucalyptus picks and that burlap, it just screams farmhouse. And these blocks are so beautiful. I am in love, obsessed with them. Again, they were so inexpensive to make. And then again, if you turn them around, you can make some Hello Summer signs just using some simple letters that you bought at the Dollar Tree. This was so budget friendly. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I was so happy with how these blocks and my wood round turned out. I'm going to have it displayed around my house all spring and all summer long because, again, it's reversible, so I can do that. Again, this was so budget friendly. I spent less than $20 doing all of this. So again, this was very budget friendly, very time friendly. So I was very happy. If you like this video, please go subscribe to my channels that Create State of Mind with Casey. Leave me a nice comment and like this video. Thanks. Bye.